At the start of this trip, I set up these things called ROCK TAMERS. Now the reason why I put them on is because I wanted to protect the caravan that whatever vehicle was towing. The amount of rocks that pound the front of your van coming out of the back of the car, mate, is insane. The ROCK TAMERS can minimise that drastically. Now the beauty of it is it's this big wide rubber flap, right? It's quite heavy, but it's the way, this is the special way that they've been set up is what really makes them work. And you'll notice that there's this D section here, it's like a D shape. The mud flap isn't hanging vertically, it's actually hanging on an angle like that. The advantage of that is when the rocks come, they get past the mud flap from the tyre and they start heading out in that direction, they hit there and they tend to get rolled down like that, pushed down to the ground. You got to be careful of that. The rocks do some silly things out on the road and mate, they will make a mess of whatever it is you're towing. So if you get a chance, have a look at the ROCK TAMERS. They're easy to set up. They slide just onto your tow hitch there. So they just slide over that. They're easily adjustable. And if you want to take them off for some extreme off-road work, you can undo these two big bolts here and they will come apart and you can take them off.